Diagnostic services are essential to detect and treat illnesses, both at patient and public health levels. Good quality laboratory services translate to timely or appropriate response to disease control and management. Good diagnostic services are essentially preventive healthcare, especially with diseases like tuberculosis and hepatitis, and are required for continued screening and monitoring. The COVID-19 pandemic has shown us how crucial, reliable, affordable, and accessible diagnostic services are in controlling the spread of infectious diseases. But rural India is severely shortchanged when it comes to diagnostic services, much like the rest of the healthcare infrastructure. There are approximately 1 lakh diagnostic laboratories in India, a majority of them in metros and Tier 1 cities. There are only around 8 diagnostic labs per 1 lakh people in India, and this ratio worsens in rural areas. Scarcity of pathology laboratories and testing facilities. Lack of qualified pathologists, technicians, biochemists, and other medical personnel. Outdated and inefficient technologies that can lead to wrong diagnosis and poor treatment outcomes. Need to travel to cities for reliable diagnosis, which is often expensive due to lost wages and high cost of private diagnostic services. The Indian government rolled out the Free Diagnostic Service Initiative under the aegis of National Health Mission in July 2015. It encompasses 3 components: free laboratory services, free teleradiology services, and free CT scan services at different levels of public healthcare institutions. When the World Health Organization released the first edition of Essential Diagnostics List in May 2018, the list was updated and expanded, and a guidance document for implementation of these services was released to states and union territories in July 2019. The notified national EDL under NHM provide for 14 tests at Sub-Center and Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Center, 63 tests at Primary Health Center and Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Center, 97 tests at Community Health Center, 111 tests at Sub-District Hospital, 134 tests at District Hospital. The tests were identified keeping in view high disease burden, high public health relevance, diseases with existing national programs, reproductive and child health, and control of communicable and non-communicable diseases. To bridge the urban-rural divide in availability of diagnostic services, we will have to improve affordability, accessibility, trustworthy and reliable diagnostics, regulation, tax relaxations and subsidies for preventive diagnostic tests, public-private partnerships in research and development in diagnostics. Telemedicine also presents a huge advantage in ensuring effective diagnostics at the grassroots. Now, with the remote reading of CT scans and X-rays possible, the burden of shortage of specialists in rural areas can be reduced. The government can confidently invest in diagnostic infrastructure at district and sub-district hospitals and build on this. In June 2021, Telangana government inaugurated a state-of-the-art laboratory or Telangana Diagnostics Hub at the district headquarters hospital in Khammam. Set up at the cost of Rs 1.5 crores, the modern laboratory will offer free diagnostic services on a hub and spoke model for as many as 57 types of biochemistry, pathology, and microbiology tests. Patients living in semi-urban and rural areas can give blood and urine samples at their local PHCs, which will promptly be transported to the diagnostic hub in dedicated vehicles, and results will be made available to patients and doctors online.